Hello all. So we are going to solve today's Leetcode problem, redistribute characters to make all strings equal. So this is an easy problem, but it's a tricky one. So we need to understand this question thoroughly. Otherwise we won't be able to solve it. So let's see. So the question is redistribute characters to make all strings equal. So you are given an array of string words 0 indexed. In one operation, pick two distinct indices I and j, where words of I is a non-empty string, and move any character from words of I to any position in words of j. Return true if you can make every string in words equal using any number of operations, and false otherwise. So remember that we can use any number of operations, and we need to make every string in words equal, right? So let's see. So ABC, ABC, BC. So output is 2. Why? Because move the first A in the words of 1. So we move this A to here, to the front of words of 2, to make words of 1 ABC and words of 2 ABC. All the strings are now equal to ABC, so return true, right? If you can see here ABA, false, because we cannot make two strings equal. Why? So the logic here is we have A here, we have A here, but B, there is no B, we have only one B, we cannot, there is no another B here to keep here. So the logic here is the frequency. So what should be the frequency? The frequency should be such that it is equal in every string, right? So let's see. Int n equal to words dot size. Okay. One edge case is if n less than 2, means if it has one word or a 0 word, we'll just return true, right? Now let's take this case. Okay, you can see here, right? We just need to keep the frequency here. Frequency should be equal. So if we have A here, how many A's are there here? 1 2 3, 3 A's are there. Now B, how many B's are there here? 1 2 3, 3 B's are there. C, how many C's are here? 1 2 3, 3, right? If we have 3 here, then we can distribute equally. We can see A1, A, B, 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 C, 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 right? So we can make all strings equal. Suppose if we have the same example, if we have A, B, C, next B, next C, C, what is the answer? The answer is true, because we have 3 A's, we have 3 B's. Okay, we have 2 B's, now we have 3 B's, now we have 3 C's, right? So we can distribute any number of times to make this as ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay. So what should be the frequency of A here? The frequency of A should be a multiple of size, right? If we have 3 here, the size is 3, right? For this 1 2 3 given, so A should be 3 or a multiple of 3. It can be 6. If A is 6, then we can be A, right? So it should be multiple of 3 only. So multiple of n. If it's less than n, right? If the frequency of A less than n, suppose if we given A, B, C, now B, C, B, C. Now we have only one A, which is not a multiple of 3 and is less than 3. So we can't distribute here, right? There are no, we need 3 A's here. So those are the edge cases. Now let's see. So for frequency we can use an vector int FRE 27, 0 for 27 alphabets. For string S in words, for car I in S FRE of I minus A plus plus, right? Now we'll do a loop for int I equal to 0, I less than 27, I plus plus. If what is it? So we have initialized it with 0, right? If I not equal to 0, okay. Now the frequency we have for each letter. If I less than 2, the frequency should be, let's say, return false. If I modulo n not equal to 0, return false, return true. Okay, it's not I here. For I in FRA. We'll just comment this and let's check. Yeah, it got solved, right? So no need to check this condition also. So we just need to make sure that the frequency of any character is a multiple of the size. That we can check using modulo. If this returns 0, that means it is a multiple of that n, right? If it's not multiple, if the frequency of a character is not multiple of the size of the words array, then you return false. You cannot distribute evenly. So that's the case. Thank you.